Where the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the pain.
Hey guys, it's Doshi Dior, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Stay tuned. Make sure I don't cut myself. Oh my, why are boxes so hard? At this point, I'm just going to start cutting the box because this is... So I'm assuming she packed it very tightly and very well because she didn't want anything to fall out of it. She did not come to play, okay? She said, look, your stuff is not going to be damaged by the time it gets to you. Sunday School Stories, Texas Pecan and Pie Crust. Your girl from Texas, love her some Texas pecan pie. She knew what she was doing when she sent me this. These smells and these scents you're supposed to be able to enjoy as you're reading a book, whether that be on the beach, sitting back by a nice fireplace, or just relaxing. This is the part I've been waiting for. First of all, I love the fact that before I even opened it, I smelled it, which means it's very potent, which is good. And as soon as I opened it, literally like a brush of wind just, and I didn't have to bring it close to my nose, but I'm going to because it just smells that good. Bad Boy Reads. Cinnamon and Bad Decisions. Guys, I can't make this up. I love this. Now, she really knows me. Guys. See, the thing I hate about this review is you can't smell this through the camera, but if you could, I'm torn because this was a surprise. This one, she definitely knows me. I don't know which one to put in my wax warmer first, but I'm so happy that I got two wax warmers. So one is in my bathroom and one is in my living room. Books in Paradise, Pineapple and Tropical Florals. So I'm assuming this is for a different season. Maybe when we hit towards the spring/summer. Oh, wow. That was a pleasant smell. I like this. This feels clean, airy. I don't know, maybe because I love the ocean, but this one was a surprise. I really like this one. Oh, Night Before Christmas. No, y'all know I love Christmas. Cinnamon and Spice. To be honest, I've liked all of them, so it's going to be hard to choose which one's my favorite. I'm over here getting goosebumps. It's interesting because I can see why this one is Cinnamon and Bad Decisions. This one is more of a in your face, you know, more bolder smell of cinnamon. But this one is a very subtle one, but it smells so good. My only question is how I'm gonna heat up all of this by Christmas time. There's just no way because these last. So it looks like I'm gonna be having my apartment smell like Christmas a lot longer than I anticipated, which I am not complaining because, I mean, in Germany, people don't put up their Christmas trees until the day after Christmas for America. So that's fine with me. Clean Reading is the title, and it's linen and cotton. These smells just keep on surprising me. Is it possible to have a scent in every room? Granted, I only have one bedroom, but you know, like the laundry room, the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedroom, the living room. Because I think we could have some smell goods. Sunday Morning Reads, Dew and Crisp Air. Oh, this smells like I opened the window and let in the cool spring air in the morning. I literally feel like I'm in a Disney princess movie and I'm like, I can't sing. This would make me believe that I could. What is this? Okay, so I don't exactly know what this is, but I smell cinnamon. Is this a potpourri bag, maybe? Is it cinnamon apple pie, maybe? So I don't know what this is. Maybe this is a little surprise. You know, I was going to do a what is my favorite smell, but this is hard. So update, guys. This little baggie, I'm going to say is modern day potpourri. Tomato, tomato. I was looking at it and I was like, there's purple stuff in here. So I contacted the owner and she said that these are purple stones. Amethyst. Amethyst, to give you a little history, She actually probably knows more history than I do because she's actually the one who educated me. Purple is the color of royalty. And since she knows I'm a queen, she was like, let me be intentional with this. She told me that this product can be used in multiple ways. I could put it in my warmer and it never has to melt, which is amazing. I can put it in my car and my cup holder in my car. So I really like the fact that I can have these smell goods and put them in different places in my closets, you know, where the shoes are. But I just love the fact that I actually have options. Okay, I know what this is. Have you ever in your life seen such a cute car air freshener? Like it's rose gold, which I love. These wooden stones in there, and I believe if they're tilted, some of the oil gets on them, so they're able to last longer, and that's how the fragrance goes up. I love the concept of this. This is new age engineering. I can totally support instead of that little green tree that is kind of ugly. I mean, it keeps on getting better, better and better. She said she didn't have that much stuff in here, but there's a lot. She says she has options, okay? And to assume, because it is a fragrance, that it can only be one of two things. Either it's gonna be deodorant, which I seriously doubt it, or it's gonna be some type of air freshener. So we're gonna assume that it's an air freshener. Shake that bad boy. Shake what your mama gave you. Shake what your mama. Okay. I'm so glad you cannot get high by smelling this stuff because I have been sniffing stuff all night and it smells amazing. I like that. It smells kind of sweet, kind of fruity. It's clear that I have a scent for every season. And to be honest, there hasn't been anything that I've opened up that I didn't like. That was air freshener because this one says room spray. Shake, shake, shake to the bottom of the lake. This is the entire one. Okay, look, as soon as I vacuumed my carpet, changed my sheets, opened that window like I was saying earlier, you know, to let the fresh air in, I am definitely spraying this because this says your job has been done. Ha! I saved the best one for last. This one is called, this is called Book Boyfriend. Ocean and Musk. And I opened it without a struggle. I must really want a boyfriend. I like this. I do. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Feel like the Tootsie Roll commercials. 1, 2, 6. No. I have the number of completion. 7. So I said at the beginning of this that I would tell you which one is my favorite. Every time I thought I found the right one that was perfect, I found another one that was perfect. It's between Texas Pecan and Pie Crust. And that's Sunday morning reads. I can't decide. I do know that one is definitely, I can be used for fall and Christmas, and the other one could probably be used throughout the rest of the year. When I think of Sunday school stories, I'm assuming church, right? I think that's what she was going with this. And Sunday morning reads, I'm pretty sure she's going with the spending the time alone with God. Love it. And I think it's quite poetic that I chose 2 of the ones that have to do with Sunday. And y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know my favorite day of the week is Sunday. So thank you all for joining me on my review. I will leave the link below to where you can get her products. Please follow her on IG with the link below. And yes, until next time, thank you for coming to my review. Bye guys.